3 steps to manifesting anything you want. You know manifesting works for other people because you see it in their amazing results. But you feel as though you're missing something to make it work for you. Maybe you've tried affirmations, meditation, yoga, mindfulness, clearing your chakras, soul readings, tarot readings, numerology, astrology, channeling, Feng Shui, and many other methods of aligning yourself with the universe to no avail. Or maybe you see a little progress, a few results, but then find yourself back at square one and get even more discouraged. I can completely relate to you. That's how my life used to be. Full of ups and downs, inconsistent results, and almost to the point of hopelessness where I would think, what's the point? Well, if you watch to the end of this video, you'll discover the simple key to manifesting anything you want in your life. And as a thank you for watching this video to the very end, you will receive a token of my appreciation, a way to help you kickstart your adventure of co-creating with the universe to manifest the life of your dreams. The number one reason most people get stuck while manifesting is that they don't know every vital step to manifest and co-create with the universe. What you may or may not know is that manifesting whatever you want in your life involves just 3 simple steps. Step 1, we ask. This is our role. Step 2, the answer is given. This is the universe's role. Step 3, we receive, allow the answer to be given. This is our role. And you may be saying, well, if that's all there is, where's all my stuff? Where's the love of my life? Where's all my wealth and abundance? Where's my beautiful car, my new home, my jet-set lifestyle? Where's my fit and healthy body? Well, as you've likely heard before, something simple isn't necessarily easy until you truly understand how to make these 3 simple steps to manifestation work for you. Like sculptors who, with practice over time, learn to mold clay into their desired creation. Or like musicians who, with practice over time, learn how to play with sound frequencies and silences to create their desired melody. You can learn to mold and play with the universal energy that creates worlds through the focus of your own mind. And like sculptors who, with their hands, or musicians who, with their hearts, feel their way as they create their vision, you will use your emotions to feel your way to the well-being state required for you to carry out what many people find is the most difficult of the 3 steps to manifestation. Step 3, receive and allow the answer to be given. Step 3 must be achieved for your manifestation to come to physical fruition, so you can touch it, taste it, see it, smell it, and hear it. But first, let's lay the groundwork of the 3 simple steps to manifestation, so that by building your understanding of them, you'll begin to experience more ease and confidence in carrying them out. Step 1, we ask. Because of the awesome and diverse world in which we find ourselves, Step 1 comes easily and automatically to us, for this is how our natural preferences are born. Everything from our subtle or even unconscious desires to our clear, precise, vivid ones results from the contrasting experiences of our day-to-day life. Our desires, us asking, is the automatic and natural byproduct of our exposure to this environment of fantastic variety and contrasting experiences. And so step 1 comes naturally. Step 2, the universe answers. Step 2 is a simple step for us, for none of it is our work at all, no matter how much we think it is. Phrases like, I gotta make this happen, or no pain, no gain, are literally the exact opposite of what occurs in step 2, when the universe automatically answers our desires. As natural as it is for us to develop desires and wants, it's just as natural for the universe to instantaneously fulfill that desire. Now you're likely thinking, are you crazy? If that were true and the universe automatically answered everything I asked for, why don't I see any results? Well, we'll get to why you don't see the results you want in a bit, but for now, remember that whenever we ask, we are given. Step 2 is the work of the non-physical, the work of universal energy that creates worlds, that has helped co-create everything in the world we live in. All creation begins as a thought, and thoughts become things, but only when all 3 steps of the manifestation process are truly understood and practiced. Anything that ever came into physical manifestation was manifested as a thought first. All things that we ask for, large and small, are immediately understood and fully offered by the universe, without exception. Every point of consciousness has the right and the ability to ask, and all points of consciousness are honored and responded to immediately. When you ask, it is given every time. Our asking is sometimes spoken with our words, but more often it emanates from us vibrationally, with our emotions, which translate to a specific frequency and energy level, as a constant stream of personally honed preferences, each building on the next, and each one respected and answered. Every question is answered, every desire is given, every prayer is heard, every wish is granted. However, the reason that many would argue with that truth, using examples of unfulfilled desires from their own life experiences as evidence, is because they have not yet understood and learned how to properly complete the very crucial step 3. For without the completion of this step, the existence of steps 1 and 2 could go and do go unnoticed. Step 3, we receive and allow the answer to be given. Step 3 is the application of the art of allowing. It's really the reason our emotions, otherwise known as our emotional guidance system, exists. Step 3 is where we tune the vibrational frequency of our being to match the vibrational frequency of our desires. Now, what does that actually mean? In the same way that our radio tuner must be set to match the frequency of the broadcasting station we desire to hear, the vibrational frequency of our being must match the frequency of our desire, and we call that the art of allowing. That is, allowing what we're asking for. What happens when our radio tuner isn't quite set on the exact frequency of the radio station we want to hear? Yes, static, of course. And depending on how close or how far we are from that exact frequency determines how much static or resistance we experience as we try to receive the clear broadcast or signal we're wanting to receive or manifest. Unless we're in the receiving mode, our questions, even though they've been answered, will seem unanswered to us. Our prayers will not seem to be answered and our desires will not be fulfilled. Not because our wishes haven't been heard by the universe, but because our vibrations are not a match to the frequencies of our prayers, desires, and wishes. So we end up not letting them in or not allowing them in completely. As you can see, step 3, allowing our desires by tuning ourselves to the right vibrational frequencies, is the absolute key to completing the 3-step process to manifesting anything we want in life. The good news is that there are a variety of ways, tools, and strategies to help us become better at tuning to the right vibrational frequencies that put us in the receiving mode of what we want to manifest. Watch our other videos to discover what these tools are, and feel free to practice what works best for you. With continued practice and trust in this very simple 3-step process, you will be well on your way to manifesting the life of your dreams. As mentioned earlier, I want to offer you a token of my appreciation, a gift to help you begin practicing step 3 of the manifestation process. First, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and then click on the link below in the channel description for a valuable gem that has helped thousands of people just like you to get into the receiving mode and allow their manifestations in. Until next time, thanks for watching and happy manifesting.